Hey guys, what's up? It's Connor here, back with another video, and today I'm doing my first retro clone console review. I'm going to be doing a few of those coming up because I've kind of taken interest in retro video games. I personally love a bunch of them. So, starting off today, we're doing the ATGames Sega Genesis 2016 model. So I got this thing for Christmas, and what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be for the outro, that's where I'm going to put the gameplay, because I don't know how you record on this thing, so I just have to go hunt down some gameplay footage. I'm going to be talking about the system, some pros, and some cons, and if it's worth your purchase or not. Okay, so let's start out with this console itself. This thing is barely smaller than an actual Sega Genesis cartridge. Here's my Sonic 2 cart. Sorry. And here's the system. It's a little bit smaller. I can tell you an NES cartridge is bigger. And that's funny. So, how do you hook this thing up? Does it run on HD? Well, no it doesn't. It runs out on composite cables. It has one audio and one video. Yeah, you don't get the right one with this. And this is its power plug. It plugs into the system like this. Yeah, I have all my stuff on my chair over here. And then you plug it into a wall. I always hate these power packs because they take up so much room on an outlet. We're in 2016. 17 actually. Well, this was made back in 2016. But still, this was something that should have been nixed by like 2001 or something. But no, companies still use this. In fact, my Nintendo Switch runs off one of these big things. Except my Nintendo Switch one is about double the size of this. Now, the console itself weighs like a pound. And you have its cartridge slot where your game cartridge goes in, which I will admit is a big plus over the NES Classic. And another big plus over the NES Classic is, hold on, with Retro System, you need to pull these things out, is this comes with 85 pre-download games on them. But only about 40 of them are actual Sega Genesis games. I found that most of them were just random arcade games that they bought the rights to for a nickel. So you have an on-off button right here, and then you have a menu button right there. And as you can see on the front, you actually have controller ports in case you have your old controllers lying around and you want to use those. Speaking of controllers, the ATGames Sega Genesis comes with 2 wireless infrared controllers. I have some pretty strong opinions about these, but I'll get to that in pros and cons. It's small and compact. Just like the NES Mini, it is very small, very light, and it is great for a retro gamer. You can just put this in any small crevice, and it will fit. It has a cartridge slot. Unlike its competitor, the NES Mini, if you have your old cartridges, you can plug them in like this. So, like, in this one, they don't have the Streets of Rage game, but they do have the Mortal Kombat games. If you have your old Streets of Rage cartridges lying around, you can use those. This game does have Sonic 2 on it, but it's only 2 of the Sega Genesis cartridges I own. Those are pretty much all the pros I have. Let's get into the cons. This thing is delicate. Actually, right before I made this video, one of the dust cover flaps broke off because I pressed down on it like that. And I didn't press down hard on it, it just popped off and it can't come back on. Meaning it'll get all dusty on the dusty internals. So that means I always need to have a Sega Genesis cartridge in it. Kind of like the N64 in that scenario. Controllers suck. Okay, so let me elaborate on my thoughts on the controller. Okay, so you have the A-direction D-pad that honestly is very flimsy and feels a lot more like an analog stick. I have never actually owned an original Sega Genesis controller, so I might be wrong. Comment down below if I am wrong. So you have a start and menu button. You have like a little red light on the top. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, yep, you guys can. Whenever you press a button, it lights up. It gets really annoying, honestly. And I find the buttons very flimsy. Like, I am so scared that the Z button at the top will just pop right off with a lick of force. And I also don't like how small these are. I know for a fact the original Sega Genesis controllers are bigger. And overall, it's just not a good controller, and you should go just get another controller. Okay, so those are the pros and cons. So, should you buy this? Well, the answer is no. No, you shouldn't. This is what you should be buying. Sonic's Ultimate Genesis Collection. This has some 40 classic titles, the same amount of actual Genesis games that are on that thing. And they're all remastered for the PlayStation 3. PlayStation 3 controller is way more comfortable. And it's just a box with a disc. The disc in my PlayStation 3 because I play it so much. Also, hashtag go buy Sonic Unleashed. But, yeah. For pre-owned, wait, where was the price on this? I don't know the actual price on this game nowadays. I can assume it's cheap because it's for PlayStation 3. But I got this at a garage sale for a total of $1, and I've had a blast playing it. This, on the other hand, is flimsy. Also, the lightweight's a con, because if you yank this thing with your controller plugged in, just like the Genesis Mark III, this thing's going off that shelf. So, is this a must-buy? No. Go buy an original Genesis, because then you could play, like, Sega, I can't speak today. Sega CDs, Sega 32X games with the expansion ports. And if you want solely a Genesis, it'd be better to pick up the Sega Genesis Mark III than this. I was considering doing a giveaway for this, but I'm not sure. I mean, this thing is going in my closet anyway. So, if you guys want in the comment section, talk to me about it. Anyways, guys, I'll see you all in another video. Thanks for watching. This is Connor. Remember to keep nerding out.